Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix save button not showing on snaps in Snapchat. If you get a snap from your friends and there's the option to save this snap if you want, so then there, if you can, the save button, you can find the save button for the snap or the snap video. So you just need to tell your friend or that person that you actually can save your that snap or snap video. So you want to download it or save it to your gallery. So you just need to give them some instruction. You just need to tell them to retake the photo, and after taking a snap, they just need to find this stopwatch at the right side of their screen. Now from here, make sure that they have set no limit for the image. If they have set any timer, then you won't able to download that snap from your Snapchat. But if they set the timer for no limit, so there will be a save button that you can use to save this snap to your device. So if it's a video that you want to save from your Snapchat, then you have to tell that person again to create a video, recreate that video, and that person need to tap on this arrow icon. Make sure the person avoid this loop option. It can be bounce or play once mode for this video. So if this two mode is on, of this two mode is turned on for this video, then you can just simply download this video. But if it's on loop, then you actually can download this video or save this video to your device. So make sure you just tell that person to avoid this loop option and accept that they can use bounce or play once mode for their video. So then you just need to ask them to send that video with this, or by following these methods. Then you can just simply find the save button and you can just save this video and snap. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.